Okay, so today we're gonna do a review of the ramen noodle chicken flavor, and it's gonna be plain. So yeah. So let's take some of my finger.
I want to try it.
Let's sniff it quick. It smells like pickle juice.
No, it does not.
Like, it smells like that stuff that they put on your teeth when you get braces, like their little glue stuff. Which is basically like slimy pickle juice.
Okay.
Alright, let's lick it.
1, 2, 3.
It doesn't taste that bad. It tastes like ramen. Just some plain chicken flavor. Oh god. Okay, I just spilled it all over myself. Guys, there's dust on me. Oh crap. This is not working out. Oh my god. I have to like lick it off my shirt now. Oh no, it's on the iPad. It tastes so bad when you have a lot of it. Gosh.
I'm gonna throw up. Bro, it's in between the keys on the iPad.
I know. Okay, bye.